happy birthday. So, alam ko, happy gusto mo yung mga ganitong klaseng event. Lahat ginawa namin ni Papa para mag-prepare to naman na-appreciate. Sana mas maging mabait ka pang bata, huwag na masyadong makulit at pasaway. Sabi nga ni Tita Nilita, sana mabilis ka na kumain, no? Big boy ka na, dapat kumain. Bawasan ang pagiging masyadong ikakin. So,
thank you all the people here on the video. Now I have a friend. Why these toys have a same one? Look, natanggal lang yung isa. Why guys? Why? Thank you all to our home and you.
3 and music. Wow.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright kids, are you ready for the clap your hand? Happy birthday to you. Birthday to everyone. Happy birthday, Johan. Happy birthday, Johan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, kiss pa rin. Alright, at siyempre, ayan po. Start the music po, at siyempre, ayan po. Tapos na natin kantaan si Johan ng happy birthday. Ngayon naman po, bibilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3 din. Ready na mag-blow ng candle yung ating birthday boy na napakagwapings. At syempre sa lahat ng mga mami at daddy dyan, sabayan po natin yung ating mga kids. Ready, count! 1, 2, 3, and blow! Yay! Dahil